Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to extract table with data from PDF using Google Apps Script and PDF.co web API. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample PDF invoice and will extract a table with text data using Google Apps Script. So without any delay, let's begin. First open your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Next click on the Extensions menu and select the Apps Script option. Then add the source code into the Apps Script code editor. The link of the source code can be found in the description box below. In line 16, add your PDF.co API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. In line 20, please input the direct URL of your source file. If you're using a file instead of a URL, you can utilize PDF.co file storage service that allows you to store your file and convert it into a URL. This URL is specifically designed for seamless integration with PDF.co processes. When you're done setting up the code and making any necessary changes, save the code. Now let's run the app script to execute the program. Once the app script is executed successfully, go to your spreadsheet to view the extracted table data. Here is the extracted table containing the data that we successfully extracted from the PDF invoice. We offer a wide range of tutorials available on our PDF.co website. You can also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.